Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Brooks M2JWC6, a package of 6 Mark II Junior Series fire extinguisher cabinets. First of all, when you buy one, you're going to get a box of 6. You're going to get a box of 6 of the covers, not the 4 that are in here, but a full box of 6. You're also going to get a box of 6 of the tubs. A full box of 6 tubs. Okay? The 6 tubs, the 6 clear covers, and 6 padlocks. Okay? Now, here's what the unit looks like when it's basically assembled. Of course, your lock is going to go down here at the bottom. There are no breaker bars with this sort of a system. That's typical and common. Just a plastic cover, and I certainly couldn't say that it's extremely durable. It would not take. It does not take much to break this. I've broken them accidentally, but that contributes to the fact that they're economical. They're easy to replace. They're attractive. They'll do the job. If they have to fail intentionally because you have to get into it, that's no big deal. You can literally rip this off any way you like. The fact of the matter is, you pull here. The 2 little snap tabs that are back here, they're going to fail. They're going to plummet like Chicago temperature in January with no advance warning. It's going to happen. So what those look like is tipping it upside down for you to review. There's 2 plastic little tabs, and I've got the tip of my finger pointed at one that you can somewhat see, and you just pull on the top of that, and it's game over. Okay, so that'll come right off. Bam. That's it. Case comes down, cover comes down, and you're in good shape. Very easy, of course, to put on. Be careful not to damage those very delicate tabs. And then you'll have your tub. Weight on 6 of everything, just because I'm thinking of it as about 26.5 pounds. You can do the math. Now, let's go over the dimensional properties. First of all, it's a white cover with a clear cabinet, UV fade resistant ink with the fire extinguisher silhouette in red. Corrosion proof, that's why a lot of people like this. I'll sell these to, obviously, to gas stations, but also to pools, hotels that have pools. They'll have them strategically installed in places. Exterior, not going to corrode, fairly attractive given what they are. And specifically intended for outdoor use. The associated item, which is the cover, there's a link down below to it so you can purchase more covers only, because that's the consumable, replaceable part in the entire scenario. They've got the height at 21.25, and I'm not going to try to wield this in the camera and show you the dimensions, but an overall height is indeed going to be right in the 21. Well, an overall height's going to be about 21.75. 21.75 from the tip of the guide block down to the bottom of the portion where the padlock goes through. 21.75. An overall width, about 9 5/8 on the outside, and that's what they have, 9 5/8. They've got a depth of 6 3/8. Closer to 6.5. Okay. Got those 4 holes on the backside for mounting, and then of course your clear cover. This is the and of course you can do red covers as well, but I think that C in the part number is going to change to R. Is how that would work. Okay. Give you an idea of the overall dimensions of the cover, just so that you know. Overall width 10 inch. No, actually, overall width about 10 3/16. With an overall height of 23 inch. Now you've got all the details. There is a link that is above this video, a horizontal link. We call it breadcrumbs. It's just a category tree sort of structure. If you click above and you click on ABS plastic, which is what these are under, you will find these cabinets. You'll find other cabinets very similar to it and a few pages of that material, so a very handy way to look at other items. Speaking of looking at other items, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Brooks products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Brooks, this is their part number, M2JWC6, M2JWC6, package of 6 Junior 2 Mark II Junior Series fire extinguisher cabinets, or any other Brooks product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.